Your Android tablet will have all the apps in a nice grid like this, or it can have them organized into folders like this. To move your apps into folders, you'll simply tap, hold, and drag an app over another app. You'll see a little white outline appear when the apps are aligned properly, and once you let go, the folder gets created. You can then give your folder a name if you'd like, and choose a highlight color. To add more apps into the folder, you'll just repeat the same thing. Tap, hold, drag. You can do this in the app drawer, regardless whether you're using the custom order or alphabetical order for your apps. The process for setting up folders is the same on both. One mistake people sometimes do is they'll tap and hold an app and then let go when the app options appear. If I let go and then try to move the app, nothing happens. The key is to do it all with a single touch. Tap, hold, and drag, all without letting go. The ability to put apps in folders is the same on the home screen. Just follow the same steps I just showed, and you can organize apps on the home screen in folders. To remove an app from a folder, you'll basically do the same thing reversed, open the folder, and then drag the app out of it. And then try to get it where you want, which clearly I'm struggling with. And that's how you put apps into folders. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.